Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh. My name is Suleiman from Nigeria. I came to Egypt in August of 2025. I've been searching for an institution to learn Arabic and Quran. And Alhamdulillah, I have gone somewhere before coming here. But finally, I came to Nile, and I think this is the best place that I've been looking for. Alhamdulillah.
So what is basically you're learning right now, the courses that they were registered in?
I'm learning Quran with Tajweed, and I've started from Juz'u Amma down to Surah An-Nas. And Alhamdulillah, my teacher is giving me the best because I've seen a lot of improvement in my recitation with Tajweed. Alhamdulillah.
Can you recite Surah Al-Qadr, for example, for us?
Inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أنزلناه في ليلة القدر وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر.
Before you come to Egypt, what were the things that motivated you the most to come and learn Tajweed, Quran by Gus Tajweed?
Actually, I've been looking for a place where if I come, there won't be any distraction. There is no work, no any engagement. So when I came here, I don't have anything apart from coming to read. And after that, if I go back home, I still have a lot of time, unlike if I'm back home when I don't have time. But here, Alhamdulillah, the time that I have and the quality of teachers that I've seen here, not that there are no teachers there, but honestly, here you can't compare. Any masajid or any place that you want to read, you can get a lot of teachers. Especially when I came here, the equipments that I've seen, the learning materials and the teachers that so far they have taught me the tajweed that I've been looking for. Alhamdulillah.
So have you noticed any actual improvement from day one till now?
Well, from day one, I've not seen any problem or anything. The staff, they have this hospitality, they attend to you, they listen to you. And since we are challenged with the, speaking Arabic here, you find out all the front desk staffs, they speak very good English. At the same time, they try to encourage you to speak Arabic, which is very good. And I'm even surprised you find out that you just spend barely a week, but the staffs in the front desk, they will call you by your name. And this is to show you that someone has interest in you, not that you just come and you walk away. No, as soon as you come, someone will call you by your name, and that will give you that sense of belonging that yes, you are one of those people that are also part of the institution. Alhamdulillah, I've been somewhere, I don't want to call names, but honestly, this place, I think I'm going to stay for a very long time to improve my tajweed and Quran, inshallah.
So what advice would you give to anyone who wants to learn Quran here in Egypt and especially myself?
Already I have spoken to many people that we came together, we've been in one center. Though they are not back, they've traveled back to Nigeria. I said, if you are coming back, I'm telling you, this is the best place that you can come. You can do one-on-one, you will see a lot of improvement. And if you want to do in group, I'm sure you can also be in that group and you'll be able to learn. So I've encouraged many people, and I'm recommending this place for all people that are coming, not from Nigeria, from any other country that you want to come to Egypt and learn Quran and Arabic. I think, inshallah, Allah will help us to achieve this.
Inshallah. So do you plan to continue learning the Quran with us online after you go back to Nigeria?
Inshallah, if the time that I'm going to stay here will not be enough, even if I've gone wherever I'll be, whether Nigeria or anywhere, inshallah, I think the online classes I will continue, especially with teacher Islam. He's very good. I would love to have him, to continue with him, even if I'm not here. I'm not saying others are not good, but he understands my problems and he corrects me in such a way that I think I would love to have him, even if I'm away.
If you were asked to describe Nile Center in one word, what would it be?
This is the best place to learn Quran, Arabic, anywhere in the world. This place stands the best because they have everything.
شكرا شيخنا.